students, today I'm going to show you how you can download the Zoom app on your smartphone so that you can join your teacher's online class. The first thing you need to do is to download the Zoom app. So if you're using an Android phone, go to the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, then the steps are similar. You just go to the App Store. When you get to the Google Play Store, search for the app. It's called the Zoom Cloud Meetings. Type that and then click install. While it's installing, I'll explain the next step. What you need to do is you need to prepare a pair of earphones with a built-in microphone. This is so that you can hear your teacher clearly, and the microphone ensures that the teacher can hear you as well. Ideally, you should use a noise-cancelling microphone. Gaming earphones have very good sound. These earphones will filter out loud background noises and reduce echo during the online class. Remember, you should be in a quiet room when joining an online class. We don't want your teacher and other students in the class to hear music or loud noises in the background. Now I'll show you what the app looks like. Click on open, click on sign up, and then enter your email address, enter your first name, enter your last name, and then click on I agree. Okay. Once that's done, you can go to sign in and then enter your details. So I'm going to enter mine now. And then click OK if you want. And then now it's downloaded. Next, click on settings. Click on the top where it says student view, your name, where it says your name. And then click on profile photo. And then click on take a photo. And then take a selfie and upload it. This is so that your teacher knows what you look like and who you are. Next, click on display name. I'm going to call myself student. You use your first and surname if you want. And then all the other ones are not really important. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to click on back. And then click on about. And then click on version. Make sure you have the latest up-to-date version so that there are no bugs and everything runs smoothly. Then click on back again. Then click on meeting. I recommend that you always turn my video off. This is to make sure that you save bandwidth, and you might not want to show your face at the beginning. Your teacher might ask you to turn on your webcam, but that's up to you. All the other ones are fine. I also recommend that you mute your microphone. This is so that you don't disturb other people when you join the class, because it can get very noisy. You can unmute yourself later and I'll show you how to do that. Leave everything else the same. Then click back. Now we're in the meeting. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is click on the left hand side at the bottom. It says join audio, and then click on call via device audio. Click allow, and then click on participants. This shows you a list of all the people in the class. At the moment it's just myself and the teacher. Then click on chats. This allows you to message everyone in the class. So I might ask the teacher, can you hear and see me? And as you can see, the teacher has replied. You can't see me, so I have to turn on my webcam and unmute myself. So I'm going to click close and then click close again. Now as you can see, I haven't started my video. Click on the red icon which says start video. Click allow. And then make sure you have your face in front of the camera so that not half of the camera, not half of your face like this, your full face. I'm going to stop the video now. And then you need to unmute yourself. Can you see the left hand icon which says unmute? Click on that. Now your teacher will be able to hear you clearly. If you want to mute yourself, click on it again. Now the teacher won't be able to hear me. At the top right hand corner of the screen it says leave. Do not click on leave, because that means you leave the classroom. Only click on this when the class has ended. Next, click on more, and there are several options. You can raise your hand if you want to ask a question, and then your teacher can let you ask, and you can lower your hand as well. The other two are not very useful, don't worry about those. That's all you need to know for now. In a separate video, I'll show you how you can join your teacher's online class via the invitation link which the teacher emails to you. And if you'd like a free PDF user manual explaining other features of Zoom, I've created one for you in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to type them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. Good luck and enjoy your class.